This weather report brought to you by Transitions Lenses. Healthy sight in every light.
Good evening, everyone. The big wet continues over southeast Queensland. While it continues to boost our dams, there is a minor flood warning for the next 12 to 24 hours for coastal rivers and streams. So some heavy falls still overnight and early morning, but it should ease back by tomorrow afternoon. What are some of the wettest areas? Well, in the past 24 hours, 105 millimetres in the Hinds Dam, 76 millimetres at Beerburrum, consistent falls around Coolangatta. Maloney's picked up 43 millimetres. Some of the other districts have picked up good falls as well, 35 millimetres at Ipswich, 34 at Logan, 15 millimetres at Warwick, with Brisbane's picked up 24 millimetres, and we've had about 3 millimetres further west at Toowoomba. Now, on the radar, the latest sequence shows some heavy falls earlier today around the Gold Coast. You can see the band of moisture that's being fed in via these northeasterly winds. Had a run of showers push through Ipswich, Kilcoy, the Wivenhoe, Somerset Dam, and it's extending all the way up to around Bundaberg, but lighter falls any further north than that. Let's look at the current weather now. We're sitting on 15 degrees, humidity high at 93% and a southwesterly. Now, this is the rainfall just today. We've seen in the past 24 hours, another 25 millimetres on the Gold Coast, 15 at Logan, 48 millimetres Bayside, 17 in the city. Consistent falls for Redcliffe and Caboolture in the low 20s, while just 6 millimetres on the Sunshine Coast. The map, it's the combination of the trough off the eastern seaboard and this Tasman high. You can see that thick band of cloud, and it continues to push in some heavy falls at times. Not much will change overnight with those onshore winds continuing to feed in a lot of moisture, so early morning should continue to produce some heavy falls, but it will start to ease back as the trough moves offshore later in the day. Another one moving into the far west as well. So showery and cool right across the southern latitudes, staying wet in Brisbane tomorrow, but far northern Queensland should be partly cloudy but dry for Cairns, Townsville and Mackay. Sunny for Mount Isa. Some fog about for Rockhampton first up, then showers developing from Gladstone further south to Maryborough. Staying dry though for Roma and also Longreach. The southeast corner, wet overnight and early morning, easing back to showers. Temperatures struggling to reach in the low 20s for Tuesday. Bayside, the winds 20 to 25 knots at first, easing back 10 to 15 in the morning. Offshore 2.2 metres and a high tide close enough to 4:15. Brisbane, rain periods easing to showers later in the day, so a wet start to Tuesday, a top of just 22 degrees. What's in store over the next week? Well, some more rain easing up for Wednesday, fine into Thursday, but rain redeveloping by the end of the week. Enjoy Wednesday and Thursday. Where's the sunshine?
Make the most of them. Thanks, Garry.
That's the news for you this Monday.
We'll see you tomorrow night at 6.
Good night.
Good night.